Hey, and welcome to Brain Damage Barbecue, How to Light Your Smoker 101. My name is Joel, I'm your host. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you can see all sorts of videos like this. So we're lighting our smoker today with my Chimney. Don't know what it's called. I bought it. Here it is. Oh, it's a Weber, and I'm not sponsored by Weber or anybody in any way, shape, or form, but this is a Weber chimney to light your charcoal that you're going to be putting into your smoker to get your smoker going so you can smoke your food. Okay, so first what we do is we put the chimney on top of our smoker. Get it all ready. Kingsford charcoal. I'm not sponsored by Kingsford anyway, but Kingsford is nice and low and slow. It's really good. So what you do is you fill your chimney up, bust it to the top like that. Put your charcoal over there like that. Now the reason I use a chimney to light my barbecue is because I don't believe in using chemicals to light my charcoal, because you end up tasting the chemicals while you're cooking the food in it. So this is the most natural way to do it. What you do is go to Amazon. You can buy these little balls of shaved wood, and I don't know, they have some sort of a wax coating. There's no chemicals, it's all natural. You put one in the middle like that, and you only need one. One is enough to do the chimney. Take your lighter. See, it goes almost instantly. Put your chimney over top, and as they say with Jack LaLanne juice or whatever, you set it and forget it. And that's lighting the barbecue, or the smoker 101 with your host Joel on Brain Damage Barbecue. Thanks very much for tuning in. Keep it beefy. Hey, and welcome back to the Smoker Lighter 101 with Brain Damage Barbecue. As you can see, the charcoal on the top is getting white, so that's an indication that things are getting lit up. So what we're going to take some more of our Kingsford charcoal, put it in the bottom here, because that'll light when we put the lit stuff in. And as you can see, I put some wood around the edge, because later on with this, I'm going to be making a smoked barbecue burnt end bologna, but that's for another video. But that's not the important thing. The important thing is when your charcoal gets nice and white at the top, that's when you're going to be dumping it into your smoker. And the reason I use these little things to light the charcoal is because if you use paper, you end up getting a bunch of smoke. 3 times I've had the fire department called on me because I used paper stupidly and I just created a bunch of smoke. Lit the charcoal, yeah, but with a lot of smoke. These things, you get them from Amazon. They're just little fire starters. They're great. They work really cool. You just get them from Amazon and light them up, poof, they light the charcoal really quick. Now what you do is, once you see that's all nice and white on there, damn, that's hot, you grab it very carefully and you slowly pour it around on top of the charcoal that you just poured in there. Watch out for all these little sparks that are coming up. Thank God I don't have a hair anymore. Now we'll just put that back on there for a second. We'll flip it out for something that we can use to basically that's it. Now what you do is you just let the charcoal underneath start to go, and those pieces of wood will start to go pretty soon eventually too, which creates a nice smoke. But basically that's it. That's all. That's how you light your smoker 101 at Brain Damage Barbecue. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit those notification buttons, and you'll see you in the next one. Have a good one. Keep it beefy.